Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to make a bento for my daughter and my wife. First, I'm going to cook a rice for 1 cup, which is enough for two. Today's main dish is a tonkatsu, which is deep fried pork. And tonkatsu is usually made with a pork loin or fillet with a thickness of 1.5 to 2 centimeters. But today I use a pork loin that's sliced to about 0.3 centimeters. And I'm going to wrap it with the vegetables. Now I'm going to make a sweet egg omelet with a Japanese leek. And this is a Japanese leek. We call it naganegi. And I'm going to stir fry them with the light sesame oil, which is a goma abura. I have dark sesame oil, which is made with black sesame seeds, but the aroma of sesame is too strong, so I'm using a light sesame oil here. Add the sliced leek into the frying pan, and I'm going to prepare the egg mixture. Add egg, which is tamago, and brown sugar, which is soseto, and milk, which is gyunyu. And finally, I add condensed white dashi. We call it shiro dashi, which is made with dry shiitake mushroom, dry kelp, dry bonito, and light color soy sauce. I saute the leek a little bit. And if you make omelette with leek, you don't need to add sugar, but just add condensed white dashi. But my daughter loves sweet one, so I'm adding sugar. So sugar is optional. Okay, mix a little bit. I'm gonna roll over. And if we are to eat this for breakfast, meaning like right away, it is okay if the inside is not completely cooked. But I'm making it for bento. I'm going to steam a little bit to cook completely. I'm gonna go ahead and make pork wrapped vegetables in tonkatsu style. For vegetables, I'm going to use carrots, which is ninjin, and green beans, which is ingen. Once I put mashed potato and cheese, and it was very nice as well. Okay, tamagoyaki is ready. I'm going to wrap it with kitchen paper to take out moisture. So this is a sliced pork loin. We call it butarosu. I'm going to use 3 slices for each wrap. Put some salt and add 3-4 sticks of vegetables on the pork. And carefully wrap the vegetables. And for deep frying, I'm going to use a rice bran oil. We call it kome abura. And this oil has a high smoking point, which protects the oil from degrading over time. Okay, before deep frying, I'm going to put flour, which is komugiko, on the pork. Komugiko is a commonly used flour in Japan, and it has gluten protein content with 6 to 9%. So our flour is more like cake or pastry flour in other countries. I'm gonna use egg, which is tamago, and this is the breadcrumbs, which is panko. and mix egg and cover evenly with the flour and remove the excess flour. And excess flour will cause the breadcrumbs to come out during or after deep frying, so make sure to do so. And I'm gonna dip the pork into egg mixture and cover it with the breadcrumbs. And I'm going to do this process twice to make a strong crust. I do this when I put something inside the pork to make sure that the inside will not come out. Now I'm going to deep fry them until they become golden brown. The temperature of oil is about 160 Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit. Now they are ready. They are done. Go ahead and slice tamagoyaki. Rice is ready. So the other day, my daughter complained that the rice was hard and cold. So my wife got this insulated container for the rice. I'll see how warm this rice will be at the time of lunchtime. Now I'm going to put everything into bento box, but before that I'm going to slice the tonkatsu and pour some sauce. So this is mayonnaise. We call it mayonnaise, which is additive free. Also add chuno sauce. Chuno sauce is like tonkatsu sauce, but less sweet. And they are made with fruits, vegetables, and vinegar and other spices. Okay, they are done. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you can try this pork wrapped vegetables dish. Of course, you can use chicken, you can use beef, but challenge might be that this thin slice can be difficult to obtain. But I hope that your butcher, they will slice them for you and give a try. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.